I hated maths at school, yet I still became very successful, very wealthy, and built a multi-million pound property portfolio. And I never thought I'd be able to do it because I really hated maths. What I realised is I didn't hate maths, I hate the way it was taught to me at school, and it didn't make any sense. And I don't know why I would use half of the maths I was taught at school. Yet in property finance, I absolutely love it because it makes so much sense. Now, so many people, because they, like me, they hated maths at school, haven't got a good control of their finances. So today's challenge is going to be creating you a budget, a household budget. Now, you would not believe the amount of people that don't have one of these. So I'm going to give you my budget calculator, but let's talk through it. So here's how you can sort out your household budget. So this is a calculator, like an Excel sheet that you can get at the end of this video. And what it looks at is your income, expenses, and are you on target? So the first thing is projected income. So what do you earn? There might be two incomes coming into your household or one income. I mean, the average person is earning about £2,000 a month. So we'll say that's our projected, that's what we've actually brought in. And you might have a partner and maybe that partner's earning the same. So, and this is just round numbers, but you would put yours in. You would put what you want to earn and what you get. And if you've got side hustles, businesses, anything else, I want you to put that in projected. At the end of the month, I want you to work out what the actual was. Then we're going to go on to the second tab and we're going to do expenses. For example, I want you to target everything you've got coming out a month. So you might have a mortgage, say that's £870. Groceries, you might be spending £500 a month on. Your telephone, your mobiles, might be 50 quid a month. Electric, gas, £230 a month, and I'm just making these up. But what you would do is you would put every single thing that you're spending in here a target for. At the end of the month, I want you to come in and I want you to put what you actually spent on. So we were aiming to spend 500 on groceries. Actually, this month we did 560. It's red, you've just gone minus £60. Now, what this spreadsheet's going to do is pull it all together so look, actual income coming in from what you've projected, income's £4,000, your expenses at the minute is 1,650, and that's going to leave you with 2,350. Now we've got the actual being spent and coming in, and it leaves you with a variance. So as long as you're in the green, you're fine, and you can start tracking this. Now, the reason it's important that you have a household budget is A, to understand completely your finances, what's coming in, what's going out. 2, to be able to stick to target with it. If you said you're going to spend something, stick to target, because I want you to do something with the savings later on. And thirdly, no matter how much money you've got, and I found out this the hard way, I was really rubbish with my money, but I got really successful and made a load of money. But guess what? The money I made, because I was so successful and I made a load of money, kept going out because I was so rubbish at managing it. So this is to get you the basics, foundation of managing money as we start to build your wealth. So click below this video, grab your budget calculator and make sure you've done your budget for your family, and let me know below this video that you've done it, and get ready for the next Financial Freedom Challenge in September. So that was challenge number 2 in our Financial Freedom Challenge. Get ready for challenge number 3 in 2 days' time.